Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2013 Subaru Outback. I want to show you how to remove the horn pad / airbag unit. It's going to be fairly easy. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the key in the ignition just to the point that we can turn the wheel. Right now it's in the locked position. Okay. Now it's unlocked. I can see the hole right here. Inside this hole, there's a little clip. So I'm going to try to find that clip, release the clip, and pull out on this. And then I'm going to do the same to the lower hole, and then the one that's on the complete opposite side of the steering wheel. I'm going to release the horn pad. I'm not going to pull it out very far. I just want it to be released at that point. And then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, I got one. Okay. There we are. Okay. Got this loose. Just gonna set it back in, just like that. Get my steering wheel as close to straight as I can. Okay. So now we're going to disconnect our negative battery terminal. There we are. Take that right off. We'll set it aside so there's no way it can get back on the battery. Okay, now so we've got our horn pad here, airbag and everything. I just want to show you what we were dealing with when we were coming up through the holes on the sides. We were dealing with these clips right here. And what you have to do is you have to get your tool in. You can see the tip of it right there, and then just kind of pry this over. And then when you pry that over, it releases this right here. Well, obviously it would be that side, but this is closer to me. So anyway, it releases this right here. You gotta do that for all three. That little clip just goes around this and holds it in. So it's real difficult to get into, especially when you can't see, but that's essentially what you need to do. Go in through the hole, put your little pick in there, and then just slide that right off to the side. I'd say easy peasy, but not so much. Okay, this has been disconnected for several minutes now. What we want to do is we want to grab this little yellow thing. Just try to pull it up just like that. And you're just going to grab it. Lift it right up. The orange wire goes to the orange. We'll do the same to the black. Go right under the yellow. Lift up on that. Grab it, lift it. Easy peasy. To disconnect this, I'm just going to grab right here. I'm just going to try to pull this off. Hopefully. There we are. All right. Okay, so now it's time to connect in our airbag / horn pad. You can start with whichever wire you want. This is the ground wire for the horn. Makes it go beep beep. Black to black. Okay? The connectors go facing down. We're just gonna hold the sides, slide it in, and then push in the center. Locked. I'm gonna try to make sure that the centers are lifted up, by the way. Go along the side, push it in, and then push in the locking center. Okay? Give them a gentle tug. Nothing's coming apart. Very nice. We're gonna take our horn pad, or airbag. We're gonna go ahead and gently press it in. There we are. Perfect. All right, let's connect the battery and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, we'll grab our battery cable. Battery. When you go to connect these, it might arc or spark. If it does, don't let it scare you. Just keep on going, okay? Don't put it on, arc, spark, lift it up. on, arc spark, lift it up. One and done, okay? Just go for it. Little spark. I'm gonna tighten this up, my 10 millimeter. Nice and tight. Okay. Okay, so let's try the horn. Sounds good. It's a hello horn. We're gonna start up the vehicle. Let's give it 1 second. Make sure we don't have any lights on here. No airbag light or anything like that. I've got my seatbelt light. My seatbelt's not on. A couple of lights. No airbag light. Looks like I'm doing all right. There we are. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.